Hi everybody, Reich Polo Tech here. Today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on a Bobcat zero-turn mower with a Kawasaki engine. Guys, if you like this video, please hit that like button, or if you find it useful, also hit that subscribe button. Check out my other videos. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, so this is very simple. Basically you just unscrew these two screws here, hand screws, thumb screws, whatever you want to call them. Pop off this plastic piece. You got two more little thumb screws here, or wing nuts, whatever you want to call them. Take those off. Alright. This air filter has a little pre-filter, kind of foam like pre-filter around it. This is a little, I don't know, it's basically made out of foam, but it goes around the outside of it. They call it a pre-filter. So I'm going to reuse that because the new air filter that I got didn't come with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the old one back on. I kind of shook it out earlier, cleaned it out, cleaned all the grass off of it, and just sliding it right back around, lining it up just how it was, back on the posts. Put the first set of thumb screws back down on it. Tighten it down. Make sure you tighten them down enough to where the little foam gasket on the bottom kind of compresses down a little bit. You got to get them down far enough so that thumb screws on the plastic housing piece can also go on those same posts. So you slide that back on and you start tightening down these thumb screws to keep the housing on in place. And there it is. That's as simple as it is to replace the air filter on your zero-turn mower. This is a Kawasaki engine, but pretty much they're all about the same. Have a great day, everybody. See you.